Okay, in this video we're going to learn about three basic functions, but they're still very useful. Count function counts numbers in a range. The file we're going to use is rock final. Count A counts any non-blank in a range. And count blank counts the blanks in a range. So to illustrate the use of these simple functions, let's highlight this range in yellow. Let's do count on this range. You can see there are 9 numbers, rows 5 through 13 in this range. Sorry, I didn't put an equal sign. And we can count how many non-blanks. Well, that'll just be 9 plus 9. And there's 2 blanks in that range. And so we'll do count blank, and you'll see that the answer is 2 here. And why would count blank, for instance, be useful? Suppose you have 50,000 rows of data, and you want to know how many missing data points you have in a column. Well, if you did count A, for example, you might say 49,000, and then count blank would be 1,000, showing you had 1,000 missing data points. Well, that was a short video, but those functions are simple, but yet important.
Okay, so thanks for watching, and there's a free course, a free 21-day course from Dr. Winston, and all of these videos are coming from one of 3 books. So first, this one, which you can see here at the top of the screen, Microsoft's book, which has 355 reviews, and then it's, let's see, 4.6 stars. It's coming from this book as well, his marketing analytics book, which is down here, and you can sort of see 4.5, or his newest book, his analytics stories book, which is here. And with that one, you can see it's 4 point something, or maybe even 5. I don't think it's 5. Yeah, 4.8. And so, yeah, anyways, in the description, there's a free 21-day course from Dr. Winston, or you can go to excelwithwayne.com/free, and it'll be there. But again, thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, just please let us know. Thanks.